Hi, in this video we will be learning about the data types in Power BI. Let us load the data from the sample file. Select the sheet and go to Transform Data. You will be redirected to the Power Query editor. In Power Query editor, you can see the columns of the data. Note the ABC written in the column header, and this shows that the data type is a text data type. Number written next to column name shows that the data of column unit sold is numeric. You can see the data type is a decimal number. The number of digits after decimal shows the high precision values. You can restrict the number of decimal digits to 2 by selecting Fix Decimal Number Data Types. You can also convert the decimal number data type to a whole number data type. A percentage data type can also be used if your data is in percentage. Coming to the date time data type, the values is in date time format and the selected data type is date time data type. In case if you need the date values only, then the date data type can be selected. If you want time values, then you can select time data type. Undo the changes made in the data type and let us create a custom column. We will be subtracting the two dates column to calculate the time difference between the start date and the end date. Assign the proper date type to the new column again, as I deleted the step previously. Select the data type of the new column to duration. You can see an icon of watch next to the column name. Also note that the icon of a start date and end date column for the date time data type. Go to the information tab and select is even. This will give you true value if the number is even and false if the number is odd. Also, the data type will be automatically selected as true-false data type. Similarly, a binary data type can be selected if your data is in zeros and ones. So, we have covered all the data types and its conversions in this video. Thanks for watching us.